There's another customization here that I think makes some sense to show you and to do. Sometimes you'll find that the harp is still leaky after you've sanded it, and a lot of times if they have shouldered blanks like this one, this upper one here, that's a shouldered blank because it has shoulders on it, and this is a flat blank. And between the two, when they're set on top of each other, run the slide, okay? But if that distance is a little too great, then you have to stone it down. And by that, I mean you take a flat stone and you will work it a little bit. You don't want to do much. And then, since you can't get it in near the nubs, because it has little raised areas that are nubs, you have to take a file and come in and just gently touch them up so that it can come a little tighter on your slide. Fine piece of handwork, but that will tighten this thing up just a hair more.